multiple tangos. We have multiple tangos. Bravo, copy.
Ano ba?
Naman sila, over. Babahan nyo barilyo, dapa!
Okay. Proceed.
Right. Thank you for coming to their team. And again, we have to secure package 1 and package 2. Sila yung main mission natin. If we can secure them right away, then nadalhin natin sila sa headquarters. Copy? Everyone?
Then,
Yes, sir.
Copy, sir.
sir.
3 teams today. Alpha team, ako is Alpha 1, Alpha 2 solo, Alpha 3 birthday. Copy?
Copy.
Copy, sir.
We also have Bravo 1 is Celine, Bravo 2 Medusa, Bravo 3 Apollo. Copy?
Yes, copy, sir.
Alright, we also have Chief Hector, siya yung eagle natin, siya yung sniper natin, siya yung bibigay sa atin ng command during the operation. Copy, everyone?
Then po.
Sir, yes, sir.
Affirmative.
Alright. So, again, everyone on site, if magpapaputok sila, I am allowed everyone in on site. Copy?
Sir, yes, sir!
Do you copy, guys?
Copy.
Sir, yes, sir!
Alright. So, Alpha team with me, Bravo team, nakita na tayo doon. Sir Hector, wait ka lang namin pag nakapagdan. Let's go,
Move!
Dito tayo, Alpha team. Dito sa akin, Alpha team. And line formation. Hindi ikaw nang bahala sa Bravo. Sa'yo, sir. I need you to block the roads ahead of time. Number 2, paki-block ng road po. Mamaya, sasabihan ko. Bravo team, what's your status? Bravo team, what's your status?
Sir, following you, sir.
Eagle, what's your status, Eagle?
On my way, over.
Copy, over. Ilibot-libot muna kami. Wala pa yung ano. Wala pa si Eagle. Libot-libot muna tayo.
Okay, approaching to the target building.
Bravo team, what's your status?
Still patrolling there, sir.
Saan ba na ilalagay, Chip?
Eagle position secured, over.
Alright. How about you, Bronco? What's your status? Yeah, full signal. Nilagyan to ng ano harang, Alpha 3. Nilagyan ng harang.
Dito ba banda, Chip?
Oh, dyan banda. Alpha 2 with me. Yung Bravo, sinapin isang roadblock. Roger. Okay. Sa kabila din, Alpha 3. Papuntang ano. Punta ka na dito, Alpha 3.
No target.
Target. Okay,
Yeah, you can proceed. Move.
Alpha team is going in. Bravo team, what's your status? Let's wait for Bravo team. Bravo team, what's your status?
Bravo team on site.
can you go in? Alpha team? I mean Bravo team?
Cat ko.
Kaya ba?
Yes, kaya po.
One Tango located, over.
What's the location, over? What's the tango?
On the door, over. Pagliko nyo ng kaliwa, you can locate the enemy, over.
What's your status, Bravo team?
Back 76 to Cabana Circle or to the subject address.
Right inside.
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the alert.
Other signal, Eagle.
449, 1120.
Bababa yung Bravo team.
Now, 449.
Tango approaching.
Right.
On your
From side. North side.
Okay, let's go in. Bravo.
move.
Door here. So, Bravo team, standby lang kayo sa labas. Papasok kami, Alpha team. Check namin yung package. Wait lang.
Eagle repositioning, over.
Currently at 535.
You know, it's great college.
535.
Moment. We're going in. Reach.
Asa kayo, maupa?
We have multiple tangos. Bravo coming.
Aba?
Clear the package. Tangos above.
Lumalaban sila, over.